Here I have OUKITEL WP5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings. Then you have to enter Network and Internet section, go to the Hotspot and Tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display its QR code to connect to your hotspot. Here you can select the security protocol, here you can select change password. In advanced you can also set hotspot to turn off automatically if nobody is connected, and you can also change your AP band. And you can switch hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.